Good afternoon to all. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about the extendable hashing. Before we are going into the extendable hashing, first we will have a quick recap on the hashing, hash function, and the collision avoidance techniques. Then after that, rehashing. Then finally, we will discuss the extendable hashing. Hashing is nothing but the mechanism which is used to store the large volume of data into a small table. For doing this, we need a mathematical function. It is called as hash function. There are three types of hash functions which is used to find out the place to store the value: division method, mid square, digit folding. Okay. When we are storing this, we will chances to occur of the collision. Collision is nothing but the same index position may be requested by the two or three key elements is known as the collision. Okay, that collision, it is avoided by using the collision resolution techniques or strategies. There are two strategies which is used to avoid the collisions: separate chaining and the open addressing. This separate chaining, it use the linked list concept to implement it to avoid the collision. Open addressing, it use the array concept to avoid the collisions. Okay. In that open addressing, we will use the linear probing, quadratic probing, and the double hashing. This mechanism which is used to solve the collisions. Then when we will go for a rehashing, there are three cases we will go for the rehashing. When the table is half of the table is filled. The next one is when the insertion is failed. Then next we will go for a load factor. In these three cases we will go for a rehashing. Rehashing is nothing but when these three conditions may, any one of these three conditions may occur, we will go for the rehashing. Rehashing is nothing but double the table size. When you double it, the index will be a prime number. Okay. So the next one is extendable hashing. What are the problem which is faced in the open addressing, that is insertion and deletion. Okay. In that cases we will go for the extendable hashing. Okay. Then the hash table which is used to store it in a main memory. Okay. And the small tables, that is buckets, are stored in the disk. And for point outing and retrieving the data, we will use the secondary table with the help of the pointers. You can consider this as the main memory. Just it will create a pointer to the buckets. The buckets, it will store the actual actual values, and just the primary index key value alone, it will be stored in the main memory. Okay. Then the pointers are created by using the hash function. And also it will use to store the 6 digits number. You can consider how this table is created means with the help of this D. D is digits. So 2 power 2, it will be a 4-bit pointer. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. In case if I want to store this values, okay, first it will consider this first two digits alone. You can look out this diagram to all the zeros, and in this 6-bit number, the first two digit is 0, and this also first two digit 0, and this also two digit is 0. So next one is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. The next one, the 6 digits number with starting with 1, 0, it is stored in this bucket. And the first two digit is 11, this will be stored in this bucket. So this will be in the main memory, and this will be in the buckets. Okay. And then if I want to insert 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, this will be inserted in this bucket, right? If we try to insert in this bucket, already this bucket is got filled with 4 numbers. Each bucket is capable to store only the 4 numbers. Okay. So in this case, we have to increase the D value. Already the D value is 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 2 power 3 is 6. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So this values it will be get generated 0 0 0 0 to 1 1. Okay. In these cases, the first two digits only it will be considered and it will create the bucket. Okay. When it will go for the bucket extension means we are trying to store it here, right, in this bucket. We need to divide this alone. So 100, if value it contains 100, it will be get stored in this bucket. When the value it starts from 101, it will be stored in the another bucket. Okay. In this way, we will go with the extendable hashing. Extendable hashing is nothing but just we are going to extend the buckets alone. This is the reference book. Thank you.